Welcome to Progression Protocol. Today's video is on my top 3 benefits of intermittent fasting. The chances are that you have heard or seen something to do with intermittent fasting or IF somewhere. It's almost become a trendy thing to do, but fasting itself has been practiced by people all over the world for centuries. So, what exactly is fasting? Intermittent fasting or IF is a term for cycling your eating pattern between periods of eating and not eating. There are many different types of fasting because people apply their own little twist to it. However, they all follow the same core foundation of eating and not eating within certain time periods. Here are some examples of different fasting diets. There is the warrior diet. This fast consists of you sticking with fruits and veggies throughout the day and having one well-rounded large meal in the evening. The 5-2 diet is when you would eat normally as you would for 5 days of the week and then consume 500 to 600 calories on each of the other remaining days. Alternate day fasting is when you would take in about 25% of your normally daily caloric intake in one day and eat normal on the next day and cycle this continuously. Hopefully the benefits of IF will eradicate the excuses that people have when they first hear of IF. Now, enough chit chat, let's get into the benefits. Number 1. Reduce inflammation. There are many studies out there that state IF helps fight and drastically reduce inflammation. Having too much inflammation is the root of many diseases that we have today, including some big ones such as Alzheimer's, dementia and obesity diabetes. Here are 2 methods how IF reduces inflammation. Number 1. Autophagy. This is when your body gets rid of old or damaged cells. The body has to do this because if there are any old or damaged cells remaining, they will create inflammation. You could think of this as cleaning of rust. IF invokes autophagy to help clean the body and therefore reduce inflammation. Number 2. Ketones. Your body needs a constant supply of energy in order to complete tasks. Your body's energy source is sugar. Once that is used up, it resorts to fat for fuel and the body goes into a state of ketosis. This is where one important ketone called hydroxybutyrate is used to block the immune system that's responsible for regulating inflammatory disorders such as Alzheimer's. So basically, fat is a much better source of energy than sugar. Fat not only gives your body more energy to burn per gram, it is less likely to cause inflammation because fat has less radicals than carbs. Number 2. More brain power. I think it goes without saying that by having more brain cells means having a better brain. The process of creating new brain cells is called neurogenesis. Having a higher rate of neurogenesis is linked with increased brain performance, memory, mood and focus. You're probably wondering, how the hell do I activate this process? Well, according to Dr. Mark Mattson from Johns Hopkins University, says that fasting has shown to increase the rates of neurogenesis in the brain. There are multiple studies that support this statement, one of which is when a group of human subjects were placed on an IF 16-8 schedule for 3 days. Results showed that the amount of neurogenesis that were activated whilst fasting was far greater than when not fasting. Not only does fasting increase your rate of neurogenesis, it also boosts the production of an important protein called BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is also known as a miracle grow for your brain because it plays a large role in a process called neuroplasticity. This is a process that actually physically changes your brain while learning something new. It's also known to help protect your brain cells, stimulate new connections and synapses while boosting memory, improving mood and learning. Intermittent fasting has shown to boost BDNF by 50 to 400%. Number 3. Increase HGH. Fasting has shown to increase human growth hormone or HGH. Now, if you've ever heard of HGH before, you're probably imagining some Mr. Olympia bodybuilder because they take HGH to get massive. HGH taken from external sources to your body is not recommended for many reasons, primarily because it's not good for your body. However, when HGH is produced by your body the natural way, provides some awesome benefits. Not only does HGH work as a powerful anti-aging tool, it could also help improve cognition, provide neuroprotection and increase neurogenesis. One study in particular showed that HGH has a neuroprotective effect which preserves your brain health and performance. Whether it's losing weight, increasing health or improving brain performance, fasting can benefit anyone. Dr. Mattson recommends to fast at least twice a week for optimal performance. But this isn't health advice, so do whatever you want. Thanks for watching.